Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 7 to the power of n equals 70, solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. Now I can have this as 7 to the power of n, and this equals 7 times 10. So 70 is 7 times 10. Now the next thing I can do is divide this by 7 and divide this by 7. 7 eliminates 7. I have 7 power n divided by 7 equals 10. So from here, if you have a power n divided by a to the power of n, this equals a power n minus n. So this 7 here is raised to the power of 1. We apply this identity right here. So what we are going to have will be 7n minus 1 equals 10. So from here, I can apply natural log. I have natural log of 7 power n minus 1 equals natural log of 10. Or we can make use of log. So let's make use of log instead of natural log. I have log 7 power n minus 1 equals log 10. Let me make use of log. Remember, natural log is to the base of e, while log is to the base of 10. So remember this logarithm property. If you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. That means we are going to have this n minus 1 will come behind log of n minus 1 times log 7 equals log 10. So from here, I can isolate n minus 1. So I divide this by log 7. I divide this by log 7. So log 7 eliminates log 7. I have n minus 1 equals log 10 divided by log 7. So from here, what I can do is to move this negative 1 over here. Fn equals log 10 divided by log 7 plus 1. And remember this identity. If you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So from here, n equals log 10 to the base of 7 plus 1. So this is our value for n. Now, what we can do is to insert this particular value back to the original equation, and let's check if it's going to satisfy the equation. I have check n equals log 10 to the base of 7 plus 1. So we are going to insert that here. We have 7 power n equals 70, meaning 7 power log 10 to the base of 7 plus 1 equals 70. Now, if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a power n. So I apply that here. I have 7 power log 10 to the base of 7 times 7 power 1 equals 70. Now remember this identity. If you have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. So this is 7 to the power of log 10 to the base of 7. So this will give us 10 times 7 power 1 equals 70. And 7 power 1 is 7. So you have 10 times 7 equals 70. And 10 times 7 is 70, which equals 70. So the both sides are the same, meaning that this has satisfied the equation. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.